Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're going to be drawing a cute little kitty cat. Come join me. Alright everyone, so let's get started drawing the kitty that's popping out of the mug. So the first step is to draw the head. So we're going to draw a big circle towards the top of the paper. So we drew a big round circle. And then from there, we're going to draw the details of the face. So what I'm going to do is from the center of the circle, I'm going to come down towards the bottom and I'm going to make a little curve, just a small one, and then I'm going to draw a little point at the bottom, and then we're going to draw a triangle that's curved. So I'm going to come in a little bit, it's not going to be too pointy, and the same thing here, and that's the kitty's nose. And then from there we're going to draw the mouth. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a straight line coming down, and then we're going to draw two separate smiley faces. So I'm going to draw a curve going up, and the same thing here. And then from there we're going to draw the eyes. So the eyes are going to be right next to the nose, and they're going to be two long ovals. And I'll show you. So this is going to be one eye. It's an oval, and it's just long. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. So there we have it. We have two eyes, and we're going to draw two smaller ovals sideways. So I'm going to draw one here and I'll show you. So here's one oval, and then we're going to draw another one on this side. And this is where the whiskers are going to come out of. So we could draw that. Cute little whiskers. And the whiskers are going to be a slanted line going out. Almost like a ray for a sun. And they could be all different sizes. So this one I'm going to go shorter, and this one I'm just going to go down more. That's one whisker. And then we're going to draw another one. We're going to draw three on this side as well. And then we're going to draw stripes for the kitty. It's going to look like hair a little bit, but it's like his stripes. And what we're going to do is we're going to come a little curve down to a point. And we're going to make something that looks like the letter V. So we're going to come up, curve it to the head. Looks like the letter V. So we went down and back up. Super. And then we're going to draw another one, but this one's going to look like the letter W. So what we're going to do is we're going to come from the head. We're going to come down to a point. We're going to come up a bit. Make a zigzag line going up, back down, and then back up to the head. And there we have his hair, or his stripes we should say. And then from there we could draw his ears. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a curved line that comes out to a point, and then we're going to come back down towards the head, rounded as well. That's nice. So that's a little pointy ear, and then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay. So up to a point and then back to the head. There we have his ears, and we can add little details from there. So the reason I chose a skinnier pen is because we're going to do a line from this point. I'll draw a little dot. And we're going to be really close to the side of the ear, and we're just going to copy this line. I'm going to come down towards the head. See how it's really close? And then on this side, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to copy this, but we're going to be in more. So it's going to be wider. So I'm going to draw a point here as a reference, and then I'm just going to copy this. And there we have it. So it looks like the ears are flapping around. It looks super cool. And then we're going to copy the same thing on this side. So we're going to be closer on this side. I'm going to draw a point, and I'm going to come down. And we came down. And then on this side, we're going to come in more again. So I'll draw that point as a reference, and then we're just going to connect this. There we go. There we have his ears. And then we'll just continue with the kitty's body. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a curved line from the side of the head. And then we'll just curve it out a bit. This is like his neck and his body. And then we're going to do another one on this side, and we're just going to go down about halfway from this one. So half of this line. Come down like that. And the reason we did that is because we're going to draw his little paws, because he's going to be holding on to the mug. And right here, we're gonna draw a circle. So we'll draw a nice circle. This is one of his paws. And the other paw we're gonna draw is gonna look like an oval. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna come a little bit off of the body and then we're gonna draw an oval. And the only thing is, we're not gonna close the oval. So I'm gonna come up and I'll stop about right there. And that's his other paw. And then the next thing we could do is draw his tail, which is gonna be super fun. So what we're gonna do is, for the tail, you guys could draw however you want. It could be super swiggly and waggy. We're just gonna come from the side and we're gonna go up and around. And I'll show you. So I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna go up. And I'm gonna curve it a little bit out. And bring it back and then curve it.
Amazing.
This kind of looks like the start of a candy cane. So we went up, around, and then we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna, once at this curve, we're gonna copy the same outline. So I'm gonna come down. I'm gonna curve it in because this part was curved in. I'm gonna come back down towards the body.
Wow.
And there we have his tail, his super waggy tail. And then the fun part is to draw the mug that he's holding on to. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna draw a slanted line coming from the side of his head. And then we're gonna stop at this point and we're gonna curve it just a little bit. There's just a little tiny curve there. And then we'll do the same thing on this side. Only thing is, we're not gonna pass the tail. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna pretend like the mug is going around. And then right here, I'll draw a little curve. Oops. And then I'll continue, pretend it's going around. And I'll continue here and I'll draw the end of the mug that's curved a little bit at the bottom. So there we have the mug, or the start of the mug, I should say. And I also wanted to say, guys, if you guys are enjoying this video so far, please like and subscribe.
Thank you.
And then the next step is, we're gonna draw the bottom of the mug. So we're gonna continue drawing the rest of the mug, and a mug usually curves in at the bottom and then it goes flat. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna bring this line down and we're gonna curve it in just a little bit. And when we're about right over here, we're gonna curve it a little bit more. So it's just a line that gets curved in a little bit and we just turn a little bit at the end. And then we're gonna copy the same thing on this side. And then, now that we have the two sides, what we could do is connect the bottom. I don't want the bottom to be super flat, so I'm gonna like also curve it a little bit as we connect it. And there we have the mug. It's looking good so far. And then to make it look like the kitty's holding on to the mug, we have to draw like he's like sitting inside. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna draw an oval that goes around past his hands and towards the top of the mug again. So I'm gonna start and I'm gonna show you guys. We're gonna come super close to this side, right attached to the head. We're gonna wrap around and make an oval shape. Like we're drawing a really, really long oval. And once we get to the hand, we're gonna stop because we don't wanna go through the hand. In the same way that we pretended that we continued here, we're gonna do with the hand. So let's just pretend we continued through the paw. And it'll be right around here, and then we'll start here. And then we'll continue, stop again so we don't go through the paw. And then pretend we went through it. And then we'll continue right over here. And we'll continue the oval. And then we'll do the other side of the oval. Stop there so we don't go through the tail. And then we'll do it, attach it to the head as well, just like we did on this side. There's gonna be two lines attached to the head. We're just gonna go like that.
Oh.
And it looks like he's holding on to the mug. It looks super cute. And then we're just gonna drag the tail down just so it's finished. And we have to draw the handle of the mug. So the handle, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna draw a curved line that kind of looks like a heart, or one side of the heart. So we're gonna come out round it, and then reach the side of the mug. There we have one. This is going to be the handle of the mug. And then we're going to do another one inside that's smaller.
Perfect.
So we're going to come in, loop it, and then loop it back down to the mug. And there we have the handle. And that's pretty much our kitty. There we have our kitty. We can add the little details in the eyes when we're coloring it in. But that's pretty much it. What we could also do is we could add more definition to the mug. So we could do like with a pencil or with a different color. We could draw little stripes coming down. So I could go like this. And then when I color it in, the stripes will be like really faint, but you'll see it. And it looks like we're adding just little details to the mug, and you could just continue doing that through the rest of the mug. And that's it. Hopefully you guys liked it, and hopefully you guys found it easy. So at this point we're going to color it in, and we're going to speed up this part. You guys could pick whatever color you want, if you have marker, crayon, color pencil, and let us begin. We're going to fast forward. Alright guys, there we have it. Here's the little kitty cat. So what I did too, I used like 2 different versions of pink, and I made some lighter and the sides darker, so it looks like it's like a shadow. And I did the same thing with the gray on the tail, on the head, on the side of the body, and the same thing for the cup. So the inside of the cup is darker than the outside of the cup. But you guys can choose whatever colors you want. I know you guys probably chose really cool colors and it looks amazing. So hopefully you guys found the video easy, and please stay tuned for more. Thank you.